I'm in the piano roll of that same synth, and what I'm going to do is go to the the bottom right, sorry, where it says parameters, and I'm going to click that. And now you will see we have velocity, pitch bend, and modulation. And these three things can affect the sound in different ways. Velocity is how hard a note is played. So I'm just going to add a note here, show you what that looks like. So now that I've added a note in the velocity section, you can see we have this little weird little pin looking thing. Right, the higher it is, the more velocity it is. The lower it is, the less velocity. So the higher it is, the harder the note is being played. The lower it is, the softer the note is being played. So you can kind of attribute this with volume to a degree, depending on how velocity is mapped on the synth. For example, in this synth inside of Suno, velocity is very subtle. So I will turn it all the way up so you can hear what that sounds like, and all the way down. See, it's only a little bit quieter, but it sounds a little bit more closed too, which makes me think that they have some type of filter mapped out to the velocity settings as well. But this can be really good for making things sound more realistic and more humanized, because, you know, if a human were to play an instrument, they wouldn't play it at the exact same volume or hardness for every single note. And this next one is pitch bend, which is really dope because you can get some really cool effects with this. This gray line is at like 50%. That means no change in pitch. So I'm going to double click to add a point, and now we have this point at 50%. I'm assuming it's 50%, like an FL is 50%. If you go up, this is rising in pitch, and I'll play that so you can hear what that sounds like. And if you go down, that is lowering the pitch. And once you have 2 points, you have a point in the middle that opens up where you can determine how smooth or sharp you want this curve to be. So if you want a quick pitch down, you could do like this. And there's just a lot of cool things you can do with that.
This video is sponsored by the 10,000 Suno Prompts ebook written by Chillpan. It comes with 200 genres, 50 prompts per genre, and a descriptor page for every genre.